Hi, my name is Melanie Rose, and welcome to my brand, Desserts by M. I created this brand this semester because I love to bake, and I love to bake because of my grandma. My grandma used to work in a cafeteria at the hospital in the 60s and 70s, and she was a fabulous baker. And I grew up in her kitchen, and my favorite thing was going to her house and sneaking cookies out of her cookie jar. The social media platforms that I used this semester were Facebook and Pinterest. Facebook was a lot easier for me than Pinterest was. I found that it was hard to get people to find you in a recipe category. There's so many out there that it made it difficult. These are the logos that I created for my brand this semester. The one in the bottom is the one that I used primarily for my social media. It was my profile picture, and it was my Pinterest profile picture also. I started with 0 followers on each channel, and at the end of the semester on Facebook I had 161 followers, and on Pinterest I only had 2 followers. My target audience was men and women ages 18 to 55, but my actual audience ended up being women 45 to 54. My total posts on Facebook were 22, and my total posts on Pinterest were 19. These are some of my posts on Facebook. The one on the left was my biggest post. That's the one that everyone responded to the most. And then the other 2 were just ones that did really well that people really liked. The things that I learned this semester were getting followers isn't as easy as it sounds. It was hard for me to get organic followers. Doing the ads really helped people to find me and to see me and to get a lot more interaction on both channels. So running ads was very helpful for me. Pinterest is a difficult social media platform if you are not unique. If you are doing recipes or things like that, it is difficult to get found on Pinterest. You need to engage your audience if you want them to come back. If they don't feel like you've given them something of worth, they're not going to come back. So those are the things that I learned and how my brand went this semester. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.